Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the quantitative section of the paper. So if we talk about the QA section in general, this year round the paper seem to be a little bit on the difficult side. There's the kind of question being put from this year round seem to be a little bit more complicated as previous years. So that's a testament to the question in front of us. So let's take a look to the question here. At a bookstore, modern bookstore is flashed using neon lights. The words are individually flashed at an interval of 2.5 seconds, 4 and 1/4 seconds, and 5 1/8 seconds, respectively. Okay, and each word is put off after a second. Okay, after a second, each word is put off. The least time after which the full name of the bookstore can be read again is okay. So least time. So here we have the word modern we have book, we have store. Okay, so suppose I say this word is lit for 2.5 seconds or 5/2 seconds and it is lit off after 1 minute. Okay, it is lit off after 1 minute. So that would give us 7/2 seconds for modern. Okay, so modern is done. Say this word be lit off after 1/4 seconds. Okay, and it is lit off again after 1 second. So 17/4 plus 1. So that is 21/4 seconds. The entire thing is shut down. Okay, word has also lit off. Okay, so word is also put off after 1 second. Now finally, if we talk about store, store is again lit for 5 1/8 seconds. It is put off after 41/8 plus 1, that is 49/8 seconds. Okay, so this is how much the entire full name of the modern book, like the full name of the store basically glows for. Basic is 7/2 seconds, for modern book being 21/4 seconds and store being 49/8 seconds. Now the least possible time, so least time after which the word glows again, because the question states we can read again, so we can only read again once it glows again. Okay, so that would be LCM of 7/2, 21/4 and 49/8. So if we look to find the LCM of the same, that's the proper way. We need to find LCM of 7, 21 and 49, and we need to find the HCF of 2, 4 and 8. Okay, so if we talk about the LCM of 7, 49, so that would give us 7. Okay, 49 into 3. And HCF in this regards will be 2 only. Okay, so that would actually give us 73.5 seconds. But we have to subtract 1 second from here. Why 1 second? Because this includes this 1 second as well, where the light has been put off completely. Okay, so this 1 second has also been included. So therefore our required time will be 73.5 minus 1, that is 72.5 seconds. Okay, this will be our answer, option 2. So I hope this question is clear to you, the approach of the same as well. So with that said, in case you have any doubt, kindly go through the questions. I don't think you should face much of an issue. Try and connect with the explanation I've given towards taking into consideration of the points as far as the questions are concerned, and subsequently try and solve the same. So you shouldn't really face much of an issue in this regards. Okay. So now having said all of that, if you are looking for a detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to connect with us. For that, what you can do is go through the description section of the video, wherein you'll find a bunch of details like our website URL, our email addresses, and also our numbers for call, text, or WhatsApp. So feel free to connect with us. And also, if you have any doubt with regards to exam preparation or any subject or topic wise query on which you need our help, feel free to connect with us. We'll be more than happy to help you out. So if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. Having said that, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.